Hi guys, Chet here. Today we're diving into a side-by-side comparison of instantly.ai and smartlead.ai, two cold email platforms built to help you scale outreach without the usual technical hassle. I'll break down their features, ease of use, pricing, and what kind of users each one is best suited for. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your business goals better. First off, let's take a look at what both tools are designed to do. Instantly is focused on helping users send high volumes of emails while keeping deliverability safe. It's well known for unlimited sending accounts, built-in warm-up, and inbox rotation. The platform is clean and easy to navigate, which makes it especially helpful for agencies, founders, and solo marketers running large-scale campaigns. You don't need to deal with complicated settings to get started either. On the other hand, SmartLead offers many of the same core functions, but it adds more control and flexibility for users who are managing multiple clients or running agency-style setups. You can send from multiple accounts, automate follow-ups, and use advanced personalization features. It also supports multi-channel outreach, which means that you can go beyond email and include LinkedIn in your flows if needed. This makes it a good fit for lead gen teams or businesses that want more than just email outreach. Now let's talk about features. Instantly gives you smart scheduling, AI-powered personalization, team collaboration, and automatic warm-up to keep your emails landing in inboxes. There's also a shared inbox where you can manage replies from all accounts in one place. Everything is focused on speed and simplicity so that you can go from sign up to sending in just a few quick steps. Meanwhile, SmartLead brings a lot to the table as well. You get unlimited sending accounts, auto warm-up, advanced tracking, and built-in lead management systems. One feature that stands out is how SmartLead handles campaigns. It lets you build sequences based on specific actions, like opens or replies, which makes follow-ups feel more personal and relevant. You also get detailed reports that show which campaigns are working and where to improve. Now let's talk about user experience. Instantly is very straightforward and easy to use. The dashboard is clean, the setup is quick, and you won't need to watch a bunch of tutorials to get going. It focuses more on being fast and reliable. SmartLead is also simple to navigate, but gives you more flexibility in how you organize and automate your workflows. So if you like having more control over every part of your campaign, you'll probably prefer SmartLead. Now let's talk about pricing. Instantly has 3 monthly plans. Growth at $37, Hypergrowth at $97, and Lightspeed at $358. SmartLead also offers 3 plans, Basic at $39, Pro at $94, and a custom plan starting at $174 per month. So which one is best for you? If you want a fast, clean platform that is ready to send large volumes without all the setup headaches, Instantly is a great pick. But if you're managing more complex campaigns or you're running outreach for multiple clients, SmartLead will probably give you the extra tools to personalize and scale your efforts. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you over in the next video.